Hi alle sammen, hello everyone, welcome to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Today we will discuss how to talk about addresses in Norwegian. When communicating in Norwegian, understanding how to discuss addresses is essential, especially if you're planning to visit, work, or engage with Norwegians. In our discussion today, we will delve into the intricacies of Norwegian addresses, offering insights into format, vocabulary, and useful examples. The structure of Norwegian addresses. A standard Norwegian address typically has the following pattern: recipient's name, street address, postal code, and city town. Country, only if sending from outside Norway. For example, Ole Jensen, Ole Jensen, Ole Jensen. Møllergata 12, Møllergata 12, Møllergata 12. 0179 Oslo, 0179 Oslo, 0179 Oslo. Norway. Ole Jensen, Møllergata 12, 0179 Oslo, Norway. Vocabulary you need to know. Gate, gate, gate. This means street. Many streets in Norway have a gate, gate, gate as a suffix, such as Karl Johans gate, Karl Johans gate, Karl Johans gate. Vei, vei, vei translates to road, and it's usually used similarly to gate, gate, gate in naming streets. Postnummer, postnummer, postnummer. This is the postal code. It's a series of numbers indicating the specific postal area. Sted, sted, sted refers to the city or town, like Oslo, 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 or Bergen, Bergen, Bergen. Leilighet, leilighet, leilighet. This means apartment. Useful to know if referring to an apartment address. How to ask for an address. If you wish to inquire about someone's address, you can use Hva er adressen din? Hva er adressen din? Hva er adressen din? This asks what is your address. For more detailed inquiries, hva er gateadressen din? Hva er gateadressen din? Hva er gateadressen din? Which means what's your street address? Hva er postnummeret ditt? Hva er postnummeret ditt? Hva er postnummeret ditt? This is what's your postal code. Offering your address. When providing your address in Norwegian, you simply follow the format presented in our discussion today. If someone asks, you can start with your street name, followed by the postal code and city, and country if necessary. Understanding addresses in Norwegian isn't overly complicated. With the basic structure and vocabulary that we've discussed today, you can both ask and provide addresses efficiently, whether for formal purposes, like sending email, or simply for finding a friend's house. Our discussion can help navigate Norwegian addressing system with ease. Unlock a world of opportunity and connect with a rich culture heritage by learning Norwegian from zero to hero with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Our immersive courses and expert instructors guide you every step of the way, ensuring you become fluent and confident in the language. Elevate your Norwegian language skills from the comfort of your home by subscribing to the Norwegian Language School on YouTube. Enjoy expertly crafted lessons, interactive exercises, and a vibrant community, all designed to take you from beginner to fluent, one video at a time. Unlock the full learning experience with Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School by becoming a Patreon member today at patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School, patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School. You will get downloadable worksheets to practice what you've learned from our YouTube videos, podcasts, and get exclusive perks like member-only chat, transcript, early access to new content, one-on-one private Norwegian classes, Discord access, etc., for an immersive and interactive Norwegian language learning journey. Thank you for tuning in to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.